Stunt Devil here, man, in the middle of the street. I don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck, nigga. We doing shit in the middle of the street on the niggas. But I'm bringing this motherfucking BMW to y'all, man. In the middle of the street with this shit, bro. In the middle of, yeah, though. I'm bringing y'all this motherfucking video today, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And we about to go get in this motherfucker right now. Turn the fuck up. Yeah. Let's take these, yup. Take that off. Turn on. Thank you. Now we on the road, man. We on the road. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all boys fucking with me. Y'all done fucked with me on the Tesla. Y'all done fucked with me with the Audi QS. Come on, man. Come on. I appreciate y'all boys, man. Come on. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to this video. Yeah. We cutting up today. Sport mode already been activated. I ain't even gonna capture y'all. Also, man, thank y'all again, man. I appreciate seeing all the comments, all the love, because I didn't even want to post. I didn't think nobody even watched my videos, man. Just to have one person watch my videos, 100 people watch my, thousands of people was watching my videos. No, man, that's crazy. And the whole time I thought I wasn't gonna get nobody cared about my videos, and y'all actually do, man. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all don't know, man. It just lets me know that I'm doing the right thing and I need to keep going. But I know y'all tired of me talking all the time, man. The next clip is gonna be music playing. Fuck the copyright. I don't care, because I want to slide with the music, and we about to cut the fuck up. Let's get it.
Only car I knew was a Beamer. I bought her the rubber, but she could keep it. Nobody to trust, cause that money made me evil. Wonder if it's cheaper just to keep her. Every man for self, you better know that. I shorty at the feds, he got his throwback. Told him I'd buy all the walk till he back in case it's gone down. She used to go for something like a throwback. Let's get rated R at the game in the suite like Kodak. It's a thin line between. Man, fuck it, I'm the biggest where I'm from. I'm the biggest where I'm going. You can try to act like you proud, but I can see the hate all on you. I ain't even gotta be around, but I still get the story. They don't want to be around, but she remind me of Toy. I can turn her up with this, I can turn her up on my tab. I can turn her up with a GLE from basic starter pack. I ain't worried about no office, I'm rich and got in. I was really about the office, I'm out waiting for romance. Cold lamb, 2 kids and not a daughter, cause my heart's still broke again. I'm super geeked up, but I'm still Jones in. I'm super geeked up. I'm super geeked up, but I'm still chosen. I'm super geeked up, but I'm still chosen. Still chosen. I'm super geeked up, but I'm still me first, but I'm making we work. I'm still not that comfortable with doing features. I still throw advances in 2 liters. I'm still head first. I can't back my head hurt. I'm gonna wake up to some M's, gotta go to bed first. I'm still codeine, baby. School buses made me. I stopped popping pills, but I'm milligram Navy. I'm like, who can I trust? Left a trooper in the dust. Treat a Barbie like a tool, but I really dress it up. I be playing super cool, but I'm super, super up. I got super pretty bitches, soon as super pretty trucks. So I can't feel my face, can't kill my soul. She say I lust, but I still can't trust. I wouldn't need it. I done told you I was God, made you a believer. I'm still me first, but I'm making we work. I'm still not that comfortable with doing features. I ran out of manners for the new people. I'm still head first.
I gotta calm down. I gotta calm down, man. I'm out here wilding. No, we ain't out here wilding, man. We out here being safe, man. That's why I'm a professional stunt devil. What up with y'all, man? How y'all day been? How y'all been doing, man? I know this ain't really nothing y'all care about. Shit, at least somebody ask you how your day is, and if you do listen in and want to tune in and be a part of my channel, man, let me know how your day been, man. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you know we just out here floating like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Yeah, type shit like that, man. We on our way to go see my bro perform. Man, he about to go rock the crowd and shit. I'm over here, pulling moves. We pulling moves, man. We pulling moves. But yeah, man, y'all ain't even commenting and let me know what type of cars I want to see next, man. I'm just bringing these cars to y'all with my own thought suggestion. You feel me? But shit like this go on and it just make you wonder, bro. It makes you wonder, like, what is going on? How is this truck going faster than you, bro? How? I don't know. I don't understand it, bro. I don't understand that. How is this truck moving faster than y'all, bro? This man can literally risk his life and other people's life moving this quick all the time, bro. Y'all going slower than the recommended, literally. On a positive note, it's a beautiful day today in Houston / Mexico. GTA type shit. Yeah, man, Days of Will, he just pulled up on me today. He just had this motherfucker. He was like, hey, bro, go drive the BMW. And I was like, BMW? What you talking about? We got the Audi, right? I just took the Audi for you. He was like, oh, nah, bro. I sold the Audi and shit, so you gonna have to do the BMW today. And the thing about today, man, I had plans to go to the show, but he said, well, you gonna have to record the video while you going to the show. So I was like, all right, bro. So hopefully y'all like, comment, subscribe so this guy can just get off my back, man, because he's saying that you guys are watching the video and not subscribed. He says no way thousands of people is watching this video and not subscribing, bro. You is doing something wrong. He said if y'all don't start subscribe, I'm fired, bro. He said we're not gonna keep doing these videos. We just not gonna keep doing these videos because I feel like my videos, I'm showing niggas the real shit. I'm showing y'all real shit. I'm not getting on here trying to be all YouTube nice and cuts and no copyright. Nah, man, it's real life. I'm really driving these bitches. Y'all gotta like, comment, subscribe, something, man. Y'all can't keep on watching, tuning in, and not wanting to. You feel me? Y'all go head on to them other people's channel respectfully, because if I wasn't recording this video, I'd still be doing this. I would literally pop up a picture of me in BMWs and all type of shit way years before I even picked up this camera, you feel me? In a whole nother state, a whole nother different vibe type shit, but that's besides the point. Shit. Holding this camera, man. I definitely need y'all to subscribe so I can get a GoPro. Y'all understand I'm really putting in work to get these views for y'all, man. That's because I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all appreciate me. So let's get it on though, man. I know y'all don't really care about what I'm talking about. I gotta stay over a little bit for roadies. Let's get up out of here. If I really didn't give a fuck about nobody, I'll be driving. I really cut up for y'all, man. But for the safety of other people, man, this part is just a little slow, man. Cause everybody thinking about what they gonna do when they get to their destination, and I actually want to get to their destination. So, yeah. Through that bitch. Oh my gosh. Niggas are terrible, bro. Y'all niggas are terrible. Oh, I never met so non-driving ass bitches in my life. Oh my gosh, y'all niggas make me sorry. And for any nigga that feel any type of way with me saying this about texting people, I don't give a fuck, bro. Like, I'm a cool nigga and all, but y'all don't know how to drive, and that's just simple as that. Even you know, you even got a little smirk on your face knowing people look dumb every day. You probably damn near sound like me every day. If not, if you want to be honest, yeah, let's be truthful now. You know damn well these Houston motherfuckers, something off with these people, man. They're great people, but the driving, hey, I'm gonna say it every video if I have to till this shit get corrected. Stunt devil for president, Stunt double for president. Stunt double for president. We need it. We need it. Man. Honestly, I was supposed to be paying attention to the GPS, and yeah, I don't know where I'm about to go. Well, I know where I'm at, but I don't know why did I go this way. I need to be going the other way. If you're in Houston, you know this way is like, it's still the same, but it's like, oh, that shit, we need to be over there. That's where I'm trying to get to. Come on, bro. You in a whole Ford Raptor, bro. Ooh, the lights look sexy in here. Money green. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Money, money. Oh, I'm right here. Hey, y'all report this bitch ass complex. Tell me why I had left my phone and I'm trying to use their phones and shit. And they talking about, oh, you can't use this phone. You don't even live here. Bitch, what? I said, bitch, what? You lucky I can't motherfucking... Yeah, basically, I said, what? This is your whole job. Sorry, not sorry. All right, man, let's get out of here. I just read rules. Get out of here. I can't play music, so if you hear me humming and shit, I'm just humming the song, you feel me? Might get your bitch wet, but hey, my fault, bro. I'm just trying to get to my destination. Excuse me. You guys are moving. Well, hold up. Is that what I think those people are? Let me get a little bit closer. Do a little bit more Oh, no, they ain't them. I almost had to do a little bit more investigation about that. Had to do some homework about this car right here. Thought that was them boys. Damn, this is a whole clear shot. They just give me a hole. I'm about to just take off of this motherfucker. Aw, let me chill. Let me chill. Nigga like him will jump over here hating. See a smooth nigga come through and jump over here want to slow me down. You gotta be careful out here, man. Safety first. Safety first. I ain't gonna be able to record these motherfuckers crunched. You feel me? Hey, if I'm crunched, nigga, I can't record shit. Y'all niggas, and I wouldn't even have those subscribers. Imagine, I was doing all this shit. Y'all niggas don't subscribe. I get crunched. Knock on wood. Anyways, man. This video, I'm not gonna lie, man. It's a Saturday night. I don't really want to do too much cutting up on a Saturday night because people be wavy navy, bro. And I can tell people in that wavy navy, they sweeping and swabbling, and they ain't even going to how I'm doing it. They doing it in the same pace. I don't even know if that made sense. Oh well, I ain't cutting it out. Something wrong with you, man. Oh no. I ain't gonna let the Mazda be driving faster than me on the video. You stood no chance, bro. If you see red, that means we about to cut the fuck up. Alright, let's slow down. This it right here. Slow down, find your lane, find your route, find a nigga sleeping. Oh no, everybody sleeping in this bitch. Oh my gosh. Oh man. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You mean to tell me this how everybody want to drive? With all these big ass gaps? Oh man. Oh man. Fuck y'all. Fuck all y'all. Fuck all y'all. Cuts off left and right. Fuck all y'all slow ass motherfuckers. But remember, guys, I'm a nice guy. Oh my goodness. I'm getting off the freeway. It's over with, bro. I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to take y'all in the streets, bro. I can't do it on the freeway today. Every day ain't gonna be a best day, man. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. Literally over the line. Literally over the line. Literally over the line. Looking dumb in that bitch. Alright, man. Let me hop off this freeway, man. I'm about to go pull over somewhere. This might be a short video because it's Saturday and Houston people drive dumb. And, you know, I'm fresh to death, but I don't really want to be deaf to death, you know? So, yeah, man, I'm about to go probably pull over in the middle of the street again. Get y'all boys right, man. Wherever I feel like I'm going to pull over, I'm going to pull over. And we're going to end this motherfucking video right there. All right, man. I'm about to pull the fuck over right here, right in front of Cricket. We pulling over right in front of Cricket, man. Before I call any of you niggas, I'll give me a Cricket. You get it? I'm pulling over right here with the tow truck in the background. I just spent 200,000. I spilled the rules in the, yeah. Hold up, let me get right for y'all. Mission complete. Yeah. All right, y'all, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you got here this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Leave a comment for me, the Stun Devil. This my ride, man. All right, 1 out of 10 for a regular pedestrian. Obviously, since I love BMWs, I fuck with BMWs. 10 out of 10, must try again. Fuck is you saying? But for me, since I fuck with BMWs, 100 out of 10, must try again. And we about to pull up, looking crazy tonight. We about to get it going, yeah. Damn, we about to get it going. We about to get it going. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video.